Today we will prepare a sweet and sour sauce and some stuffed wontons and get to work. In a frying pan, we add 1.5 liters of water and we will add ketchup or tomato sauce. And we will add 6 tablespoons of ketchup. We will add a little rice vinegar. If you don't have rice vinegar, you can add white vinegar. A tablespoon of white sugar. And we mix very well. Hey, I'll show you another secret. Use strawberry flavored soda to give it color and a good flavor, and half a tablespoon of orange flavor powdered soda so that the color looks like strawberry, but it smells like orange. And to thicken, we will use cornstarch. We add 2 tablespoons diluted in a little water and mix well. We will let it boil for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, and we add a little soy sauce and mix. We let it cool a little, and we reserve in a container. And for the stuffed wonton, we will proceed to fillet our chicken breast very finely. We will cut into small pieces very carefully. We will cut the chicken into squares, and we will go through it again. We add salt. Add freshly ground pepper, a little soy sauce, oyster sauce and liquefied cayenne. Add salt, chives or chopped Chinese garlic. We mix very well, so that all the flavors are incorporated. A little sesame oil. And we put a little oil in the filling for the wontons in our frying pan. We mix well. We let it cook for approximately 5 or 6 minutes. In a container we add eggs and a little salt. And beat the eggs well. We put our wonton dough. We put our filling in the center, without exceeding the quantities because it can break. We add a little glue, that is, the beaten egg, and we start by lifting a corner. And we join corner to corner. We add a little more beaten egg. On both sides, we sink the central part with our finger, and we will cross the corners, just as they see it, and we cross again to reinforce, and that's it. And so we will fry in a pan with regular oil, very carefully. And you have to be moving it from one side to the other side to avoid burning them and turning them golden. We remove it to a bowl with absorbent paper. And since we are in a hurry, let's serve and eat.